Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming the basics. Xbox and TV are on, HDMI is connected, and you have a controller in hand. Once ready, press the Xbox button to open the guide, then choose Profile and System and navigate to Settings. Make sure you are in General, because that's where audio controls live. This gets you to the exact menu that changes where sound goes, so you won't be muting just the TV accidentally. You're targeting output at the system level. Once in Volume and Audio Output, look for HDMI audio or speaker audio settings. This is the control that sends sound to your TV. You can set HDMI audio to off or change speaker audio to headset if you prefer sound only to a connected headset. Make the change, then test by playing a short clip. This verifies the TV is silent while the console still runs. If you want audio again, return here and re-enable HDMI audio. It's reversible in 1 or 2 button presses. Finish by playing a game or video to confirm the TV is silent. Make sure volume is actually coming from your chosen output. If the TV still plays sound, mute with the TV remote and double-check the TV input settings. Some TVs override HDMI audio from the source. If settings won't stick, restart the Xbox to apply changes. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio persists, unplug and replug HDMI and power cycle the TV. That often clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.